All right, so now we're going to go ahead and create the winning product variant ad. So this ad, as I've mentioned before, right? So you don't want to replicate the same ad that they've already seen that's working for cold traffic. So you want a different variation of that ad. So it can either be a video ad so the video will be a different variation of the initial video. What works really well is an image of a customer using the product with like review in the ad copy. Or if you don't have that, just choose a variation of the product image. So go on to your product page and select one of the product's images from that, right? So if your winning ad is an image ad, then all you're going to do is you're going to create a VC custom audience of 0 to 2 days, and you're going to run it to that. If it's a video, you're going to have two separate ad sets. You're going to create a VC, a custom audience that's based on the product page but not purchased in the last 2 days. And you're also going to create a separate ad set, right, that targets 95% video viewers who haven't purchased or 75% of video viewers who haven't purchased. You can actually split these out and make two if your video is getting a ton of views, but if it hasn't, either pick 95% or 75%. I would start off with 95% and see if it's getting any impressions, and then if it's getting heaps of impressions, then go ahead and split it out to 75%. All right, so let's go firstly and create these custom audiences. So you want to go to up here, you want to go to under assets, you want to go to audiences. You want to go create custom audience. And firstly, we're going to create a custom audience of website traffic that is based on people who have visited the product page of our winning product in the last 2 days. So in the last 2 days, the URL contains, it'll just be like yourstore.com/products/dog. yourstore.com/products/dog collar, right? If you're selling a dog collar, yeah? So, and then you also want to exclude purchases and put in the last 180 days. And then you want to make this condition all. So that means that they have to do both these things. So they have to meet the condition that they've visited the product page in the last 2 days, but we're excluding any people who have purchased in the last 180 days. All right, so we'll call this custom audience dog collar visitors 2 days. We'll put excluding purchases. Cool, so we've made that audience now. So if you have a winning image ad, you can just run your winning variant ad to this custom audience. But say if you had a video and you want to run an ad to people who have watched a certain percentage of your video, so you go to custom audience, go engagement, and go video from here. You want to go people who have watched 95% of your video. Go and choose your video. So I just uploaded like my sales video for this course just to show you guys. But right now we're creating people who have watched 95% of your video in the last 2 days. So let's call this audience custom audience. I call it E because it's an engagement audience. Then I call it let's pretend this is a dog collar video, right? Let's call it dog collar 95% video viewers and then last 2 days, yeah? And then if you wanted to so you go create audience, and then if you wanted to create another one, you could also choose people who have watched 75% of your video as well. But let's just go with this for now. Okay, so now we want to hop into Ads Manager. So we will go into Ads Manager. So I'll go ahead and create a new campaign. So for this one, the objective is going to be conversions. So we'll call this say if your winning product is the dog collar. So say dog collar variant, and then you say 2 days. So ad set name's the same thing. So you want to come down here. You want to choose your purchase event, obviously. So down here, we want to put in here custom audience, and we want to target the dog collar visitors on 2 days excluding purchase, right? And so from here, you want to select worldwide. because you want to remarket to all different countries who visit this product page. I just leave this blank down here and untick expand interests, otherwise it's going to target cold traffic. And then placements. So if we look back to here, we've got placements is all. So this is what I've started to do. What I've started to do is leave all placements on like this, and then in the ad you can actually upload different image sizes for these ads. And so I'll leave all these placements on, right? And then like maybe in like a few days or like a week, I'll check in and see if there's any unprofitable placements, and I'll start excluding placements then. So start off with all these placements on, because sometimes like you might get like really good cheap clicks from like the audience network, and like sometimes like Messenger performs well. So different products will perform well on different placements when you're remarketing off 2 days. So daily budget, go $10. Optimization for ad delivery, go conversions. You can turn this on. I usually turn this on. And for conversion window, go 7-day click. And the rest of that is fine, so we want to go continue. So we want a single image ad, and choose your Instagram account from here if you have one for your page. If not, just go use a selected Facebook page. So for images, right, I'm just going to upload this product that I downloaded before, right? It's like a dog collar. I'm going to upload this, and then you can see here it's come up customized for Instagram feed, right? So I would usually use a different image for this. So what I do is, I can't remember the exact dimensions off the top of my head for Instagram. I'm pretty sure it's just square, so it's like a 1:1 ratio. But create an image for Instagram as well with the correct sizes, yeah. And then you just want to put in your store.com/dog collar, whatever the product page is here. You can make it a little bit more relevant. So you can use an emoji. I can't get one now, but you can just say, hey there, we saw you checking out the dog collar. Take 10% off your order with the code 10GO. And you can capitalize the sentence case, and you'll also add an emoji in there, which will look good. And so the headline, put down here, you can put down here 10% off code is 10GO. And then call to action, go shop now. Display link, just put your store.com. And then, yeah, there you have it. So that's your ad. So it's pretty simple. I'd add an emoji in here, and then you want to go confirm for that, and then go continue. I'm going to turn this off as I did before, so it doesn't spend. So within this campaign now, say if you're running a video ad as well, we're going to have another ad for 2 days that targets video viewers, right? So we're going to duplicate this ad set, but we're going to edit the custom audience that's being targeted. So all we do here now is we come down here. We don't want to target the product visitors. We want to target the 95% video viewers, right? And then just be careful, because we've also got to exclude purchases, right? Because you can't exclude purchases when you're making an engagement audience, so it's just based on engagement, you need to exclude purchases, right? So I don't think I haven't created a custom audience for purchases yet, but I'd go back and do that, because you need to be excluding your purchases. So just go and create a custom audience of people who have purchased in the last 180 days and click exclude them from here. But you can leave everything else the same here, except if you're running a video, I would only run it on Facebook and Instagram. Take off this. These video placements usually perform very poorly, but I'd keep all the other settings the same. So we'll go save and continue. Then we'll go edit down here. So you can even leave exactly the same copy and stuff here, maybe change it up a little bit because these people might be served to ads. So like you can even change this to still thinking about the dog collar and put it like an emoji in there. So you just want to change it up a little bit. And yeah, that's all you got to do. And then just go save and continue, and there you have it. So right now, I've just showed you how to set up this evergreen DPA in the training before this, and then I just showed you how to set up a 2-day custom audience, right, campaign for a winning product variant ad that is based on VC. I showed you the VC, and I also showed you 95% video viewers. So that is a really, really profitable remarketing campaign setup. And I strongly suggest that you try out different audiences, like try out different segments. Like you can go ahead and create 75% video viewers. You can even create other engagement audiences to retarget. So yeah, I recommend that. Don't just set this up and let it run. Go ahead and optimize it, because you can make a lot of money from remarketing if you're going in there and you're optimizing. So yeah, that's it.